Hello again everyone, and in this video we are going to upgrade our CentOS server to Cloudlinux. As I told you before, it's optional, it's not really necessary for you, but if you do that, that would make your server a little bit better as an automatic monitoring and the features I've told you in the previous video. There are 4 great features that it has. Of course, there are lots of other features too, but these 4 features are the main reasons that people install Cloudlinux. So, I have registered on Cloudlinux already and get a 30-day trial license for myself to install it and show you how to install and configure it. So let's go ahead on this URL to show you. I've put this on the text file I'm giving you in this course so you can easily find it. These are the commands that's necessary. Those are necessary to change upgrade your CentOS server to Cloudlinux. As you can see, you need to first run this command and then run this command, replacing this activation key and with your key, right? So let's go ahead and open up our git bash and connect to our server as SSH user, and I'm going to copy the root password, shift insert to paste it, and then I'm going to run the first command, which is getting the deployer of Cloudlinux. So it has been downloaded completely, and then I need to copy this one and give it my activation key. Alright, so as you can see, if you have a IP license based, you can just go ahead and give your IP instead of running this command. Okay, so you need to run this if you have an IP based license. But because I have activation key, I'm going to put my activation key over here and install it. So let's go ahead and copy and paste my activation key, which is here, and paste it over here, and copy this completely and paste it into my terminal. Then let's start installing Cloudlinux, which is gonna take a lot of time. Cloudlinux is the heaviest thing I've ever installed on any Linux server because it's going to actually replace the main kernel, the core of your operating system. It's actually an operating system, it's not an application, alright? So I will pause this video. I think this is going to take about maybe 1 hour if my server is really powerful, and if it's not, it's going to take more, 2 hours even. I've seen the installation of Cloudlinux which took more than 1.5 an hour. So it's normal, don't worry if it takes lots of time. I'm going to stop this video until the next not next video, until this finishes. This installation will finish, and then I will come back to you and see how should we configure it. Alright, so I am going to stop this video for now, and I'll see you after the installation completed. This is not completed yet, only one dependency has been completed to install, okay? So it's not that simple, it's gonna take a lot of time. Don't worry about it, and goodbye for now. Hello again and welcome back. So as you can see, my Cloudlinux has been installed completely. It took about 35 minutes on my server, which I really surprisingly amazed by the power of Hetzner Cloud servers. I was really amazed by the performance of that. As you know, Hetzner Cloud has improved their CPUs to AMD RPYC to make it better, and as you can see, it's now having much more better performance than Intel CPU. So I was really amazed, first of all, and then for the next step, that we should go and reboot our server so that a new kernel would be completely replaced and run up. So we're going to reboot our server. Now my SSH has been closed, and I will stop this video because I think it's going to be a long video for configuration of Cloudlinux. So in the next video, we are going to talk about Cloudlinux configuration. So stay again with me until the next video, and I think next video might be the end of this course. So nothing to do more, just a little bit, one step more to finish this course. Stay with me, and goodbye.